Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 543. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to buy $1 Bitcoin every day, and I do an update here on the channel every Friday. If you're new to Cash App, definitely check out some of the other videos on my channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments for you to learn how to get started. You can also sign up using the link in the description and get $5 for free. Let's go ahead and hop to the investment tab, which is the squiggly line in the tab bar. We've got stocks and Bitcoin. We want to be sure we're on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is looking really good lately. For like over the past month, Bitcoin had just been doing nothing, just going sideways. You can see here on the monthly chart. You can see recently, the last week or so, bam, up 21% on the month, 17% on the week, 2% on the day, and looking pretty good on the yearly chart as well, up 7%. So all time, we had this huge run up in 2017 and kind of consolidating ever since. And you wonder how long this consolidation period will last. Is it going to go up or down? And it's looking pretty good. It's looking like it could start to break out for the next bull run. Quick look at my chart. You can see this resistance line here. Ever since the top in 2017, you see we started to break through that on the weekly chart. So I'm looking for it to stay above this trend line. I think that would be nice. You can see that it's holding the moving averages really well, holding above those. So I think crypto is looking pretty positive right now. I own 0.071 Bitcoin in this experiment. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap the three dots, type in $7, tap next. Scan my fingerprint. Still got a 3% fee, and tap confirm. So just like that, we purchased more Bitcoin. Go ahead and hit done there. One thing I did notice when I did that, when you tap buy, these presets used to be $1, $5, $10, lower amounts like that. So it looks like they're encouraging people to buy more. So that bumped up my Bitcoin owned to 0.072, slowly working our way to 0.1 Bitcoin. That's our big goal for this experiment. Let's go ahead and do the math on this one now. It should be pretty solid. 811.64, 811.64 divided by 543 days equals a 1.49x on our investment. It's basically a 1.5x. So that means every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I've gained about 50% on that. There's $811 in here, 543 days. That's almost $300, like $275 or something like that gained. However, as you guys know, I'm not selling anything. I'm holding long term. I believe this asset will do big things, and this is just the beginning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past.